Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, sa ating love bracelet, kay granter, dun sa ating mga pang-protection from evil eye na ibinabato sa atin, okay? And dun sa ating new item for cord cutting, okay? Cord cutting. Meron naman akong post about dyan. So, tingnan nyo na lang po sa FB page, okay? So, yeah, kung may iba pang tanong, just message me. And syempre, sa mga interesado na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message na lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, let's start with air signs. Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Mensahe, gabay. Energy check-ins, prediction. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, air signs. Oh, the Three of Cups in reverse. Some of you may mga lakad na hindi matutuloy. Okay, maririsked maybe. Okay. The Seven of Swords. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga friends na sabihin nating hindi katiwa-tiwala at hindi dapat pagkatiwalaan talaga. Yeah. The Page of Swords. Some of them, ikinukwento nila yung mga hindi dapat ikwento. Ikinukwento nila sa iba. Okay? Yung mga sikreto mo na pwedeng sa kanya mo lang sinasabi, pwedeng sinashare niya yun sa iba. So, may tiwala ka sa tao, kaya shinare mo yun sa kanya. And pwedeng nagsabi ka sa kanya na huwag mong sasabihin kasi importante to, ganto, ganyan. Pwedeng sinashare niya sa iba. I'm so sorry. Okay? Water sign, air sign. Anong meron dito sa Three of Cups in reverse? Yeah. Your secrets, sinashare niya. Okay? Some of you, yeah, the Page of Wands naman. Meron ditong person, okay, you're always on their mind. Okay, I think small circle lang kayo. Nasa small circle lang kayo nitong taong to. Okay. I think somebody is sabotaging. Merong sumasabotahe sa kung ano mang meron sa inyo, kung ano man. Or pwedeng may manabotahe. Okay? May gumawa ng kasinungalingan. Meron din ditong mga pwedeng pinag-uusapan ka behind your back. Okay? Meron din dito na parang person na talagang palagi kang iniisip. Pwedeng friend mo. Okay, I don't know why. Meron silang hindi may open up sa iyo. They like you. Yeah. Gusto ka nitong tao. Pwede kasing hindi pwede. Kaya hindi niya express yung emotions niya for you. Pwedeng may conflict. Okay, some of them pwedeng they're in another connection. They're in a connection. Okay? Yeah. Somebody is thinking of you, a past person, water sign, air sign. Okay? Iba sa inyo, sinasabihan na dito na lumabas-labas ka naman ng bahay. Okay? Go out with your friends, colleagues. Okay? Huwag mong ikulong yung sarili mo sa mga, sabihin natin sa bahay. Huwag mong ikulong sarili mo sa mga sitwasyong hindi na dapat. Release yourself. Okay? What else? For air signs. Okay, the Ten of Cups in reverse. What is that? Conflicts with family. Pwedeng may ayos na. Okay? This is specific. Pwedeng mga hindi pagkakaunawaan pagdating sa bahay, sa mga relatives or what, may mangyayaring progress. Pwedeng may maayos, may ma-fix. Okay? Someone is sad. Okay? Meron dito nalulungkot. Maybe they want lang talaga ng communication or pwedeng parang feeling nila parang nakakalimutan na sila, something like that. What's with this Ten of Cups in reverse? What is this? Ten of Cups in reverse. The Queen of Wands. Somebody, eto someone kasi pwedeng hindi feeling nila hindi sila na-appreciate. Okay? Parang feeling nito palaging naaawa siya sa sarili niya, sa totoo lang. Meron ditong fire sign or water sign. Feeling nila nakakaawa sila. Sabihin natin parang yes, napoprovide everything, kung ano man. Pero feeling nila, pagdating sa sarili nila, napakadami niyang parang hindi nagagawa. They're sad. Some of them, they're sad. Okay? Pero pinapakita lang ng mga to na, pinapakita lang niya na she or he is okay. Yeah. Nakakuha ko ng energy rito ng okay, parang ang tawag dyan, breadwinner. A breadwinner. Yeah. Parang feeling niya hindi siya kinukumusta. Okay? Meron ditong kailangan yung kumustahin man lang. Someone who always provides. Okay? A fire sign. Okay. And the Lovers. Iba sa inyo, nakakita ko dito ng fixed marriage. I don't know kung anong meron. Something na pwedeng may gusto yung pamilya mo pero merong sabihin nating ayaw mo dun sa tao, or maybe ayaw nung pamilya mo pero may gusto kang kung sino. Parang ganyan, family issue. Okay? What's with these Lovers? What's with these Lovers? Okay. The Ten of Swords. Lesson. A lesson. Okay? Yeah. Na hindi na-work out, na hindi tinitingnan, na hindi masyadong binibigyang halaga or what. Meron, I'm seeing here a relationship na pwedeng konting kembot na lang ay mag-e-end na. Okay? Or sabihin natin meron lang recently na nangyaring breakup. Sinasabi na mag-heal. Okay? What's with these Lovers? Somebody in a relationship is backstabbing. Kung sino man. Okay? May nang backstab. Yeah. What's with these Lovers? Yeah. The Three of Wands in reverse. Meron ditong parang pasuko na. Okay? Yeah. Someone is acting. Someone will act cold, distant, hot and cold. Okay? Gumagawa lang ito ng something. Yung pwedeng hindi ka bibiglain. No? Merong ganun na energy. Hindi ka bibiglain. Parang unti-unti na siyang nakikipaghiwalay. Something like that. Okay? Gagawa ng paraan. Sabihin nating pwedeng gagawa ng gulo, gagawa ng drama, whatsoever. Like, inuunti-unti. No? Hindi ka niya bibiglain like, ayoko na. Parang ganun. May something na ginagawa itong taong to. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Anong dahilan? Some of you, pwedeng third party involvement. Iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng LDR kayo nitong taong to. Hindi na siya magiging consistent sa'yo, no? Lalo na sa communication. So, anong meron? Anong dahilan? Ano pa? Ano pang dahilan kung bakit niya ginagawa or gagawin yan? The Nine of Swords. I think itong taong to, takot lang din talaga sa connection na meron. Andun yung parang sobrang, sabihin nating, hindi pa niya kaya. Okay? Hindi pa niya kaya. Yes, the commitments. Okay? May paglayo. Somebody has trust issue. Yung pwedeng sabihin nating hindi na rin kayang intindihin. Meron ditong hindi na kayang umintindi sa sitwasyon. So, it's like, okay, ayoko na nitong ganito. So, may unti-unting hihiwalay. Mararamdaman mo, makikita mo, dumidistansya yung tao. Okay? Meron din ditong energy na somebody pwedeng malayo sa'yo. They feel a strong connection with you. Pwedeng Gemini, pwedeng fire sign, air sign like you, a fellow air sign. They feel a strong connection. Okay? You're always on their mind. Pero they're not taking actions. Okay, wala silang ginagawa. Ramdam nila yung connection pero tinatalikuran agad nila. Nandun kasi yung kaba, nandun yung takot. Okay? Overwhelmed. I don't know kung anong pakaramdam nitong taong to. Hindi niya maipaliwanag. So it's like tinatakbuhan niya yung connection or tinatakbuhan niya kung ano man yung mga nararamdaman niya pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Somebody is like, sabihin natin divinely guided. So, it's strong. So, they are afraid. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Divinely guided. Oh, somebody is running away from a potential, okay, na serious long-term connection. Somebody is running away. Okay? Oh. So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you, air signs. Okay. So, next. Fire signs. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sag. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, anong message for you? Energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, fire signs. Fire signs. Okay. The Tower. Expect the unexpected. Okay, expect the unexpected. What's with that Tower? Strength in reversed. Some of you, may unexpected ditong may i-unblock. Okay, that's specific. Meron kayong sabihin nating may i-unblock. Okay? Yeah. So, I don't know kung sa part mo yun, may i-unblock ka or kung sino man, i-unblock naman ikaw. Fire signs, parang ganyan. Okay? Somebody will take action. Somebody will reach out unexpectedly. Okay? Someone will lower down their guard. Yeah. So, what's this? The Tower. Ano to? What's with this Tower? Yeah, the Star in reversed. Something na kung anumang tong hindi nangyari, hindi natupad before, may chance na may mangyari. May chance na may something na galaw, movement. Okay? Somebody, some of you, ikaw itong parang dinrap mo na to and feeling mo wala nang mangyayari. Pero yes, unexpectedly, bigla na lang mangyayari. Yung iba sa inyo, naging hopeless ka na sa sitwasyon na to. Yeah, see? Oh, this is nice. Wow! The Nine of Cups, the World. Okay? So, siguro, dati, kung hindi ibinigay, hindi pa yun yung right timing. Pero, nakukuha ko yung energy na sabihin nating magagrant. Okay? Magagrant. Iba sa inyo, narinig ko may hawak na granter. Okay? So, yes. Damhin nyo na. I-claim nyo na igagrant to. This is nice. This is nice. Okay? This is wish fulfillment. Some of you, this is talking about visa, mga ganon. Okay? Somebody's health pwedeng mag-improve, like that. Okay? Yeah, that's nice. So, what else? Tell me more. For fire signs. Okay. Chariot in reversed. What is that? The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, ikaw itong gagastos pagdating sa travel, or ikaw itong gagastos pagdating sa sasakyan mo. In general, may gagastusin. Okay? May i-fix something. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Sa bahay mo, sasakyan, kung ano man. Merong mga i-fix, merong mga ayusin. Okay? What's with this Chariot in reversed? Some of you, there's this Cancerian na pwedeng makipag-ayos. A Cancerian or an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's with this Chariot in reversed? Yeah, someone will come back. Oh, no. Someone will come back. Okay? Someone will make a return. Yeah. See? Lalo na yung may mga nasa no contact, someone will reach out. Okay. So what else? For fire signs. So, yung mga kung may mga makaka-resonate doon, no? I think mangyayari pa lang kasi to, yung may magre-reach out na past person. Don't expect something big. Okay, sasabihin ko na sa'yo, don't expect something big. Okay, keep an arm's distance from this person, kung sino man to, from that person. Keep an arm's distance. Okay? Wala naman pinagbago kasi this is just a repeat. A cycle. You're in a cycle with someone. What else? Fire signs. The sun. Okay. Unexpected. Some of you, there's this surprise. Okay, meron kang surprise or meron kang matatanggap na something, surprise. Some of you, there's this gift, a present. Okay, what's with this? The sun. Some of you, this is talking about pregnancy. Yung ilang ulit na. Yung parang feeling mo hindi ka na mabubuntis or hindi ka na magkakaroon ng anak. There's this unexpected. Something like a good news is coming. Okay? Yeah, justice in reversed. Some of you, this is talking about legalizations. Okay, yeah. The Three of Cups. Some of you, kung meron kayong mga issue about legalizations, okay, ikaw yung mananalo. Mananalo ka. Okay? So, ikaw ang papanigan. Parang ganun. Yeah, that's specific. Okay? Merong magsosorry. Merong hihingi ng patawad. May makikipag-ayos talaga. Okay? Justice in reversed. Someone will get caught. I don't know kung ano yun. Someone will get caught. Days of Wands. Yeah, there's this new beginning. Okay? Some of you, nakakita ko dito ng child support. Okay? May mga ganyang energy. Iba sa inyo, I'm getting this energy about travel. Yeah. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, makukuha mo yung anak mo. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Too many energies. Okay, pero yeah, this is good. Something good. Claim nyo to kung ano man to. About a new beginning. Okay? Something good energy. This energy is something na pwedeng akalain mo hindi na mangyayari, pero mangyayari pa rin. Okay? And yeah, pregnancy is here. So if you're not ready na magkaroon ng anak, then alam mo na. Okay? Kung di mapigilan, di bumili ng kailangang bilhin. Okay? So, yes, 'di ba? Mas mura naman 'yun kaysa bumili ka ng diaper, 'di ba? Anyway, real talk lang. So, pero yes, 'di ba? Kung hindi ka ready, 'di ba? So kung ready ka, edi go. May potential on energy ng pregnancy here. Okay, so there. Okay. That's nice. What else? Next. Water signs. Okay, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Hi! Okay. So, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big help yan sa channel. Okay. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Mensahe, gabay, energy check-ins, prediction for you, water signs. Okay. The Eight of Swords. Anong meron sa Eight of Swords? This is feeling stuck, being stuck, choosing to be stuck. Okay. Anyway. The Ten of Wands. Releasing from stress, some of you. Releasing from burdens. Meron ditong air sign or fire sign na pwedeng may sasabihin para ma-lessen yung bigat, no? Ng kung ano man. Okay? Yeah, somebody is juggling. Somebody is sabihin nating sasabihin ko ba or hindi. Parang ganon. Okay? Let's see ano tong Eight of Swords. Or is this Eight of Swords? I think this is talking about their emotion, I guess. What's with this Eight of Swords? Yeah. Somebody wants to pursue you. Okay? Meron ditong taong palagi kang iniisip. Hindi mo alam. Okay? Acting hot and cold. This person. This is talking about sabihin natin, yeah, yung kanilang emosyon. Yung iba sa inyo po ha, okay, yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong hindi na matiis na hindi ka makita and they will travel, okay, travel, papunta sa'yo. Yeah. Some of you, nasa LDR kayo na connection, na relationship. So, hindi na niya matiis na hindi ka makita. Yeah. Hindi niya matiis. Okay? Anyway. Okay. So, what else? Yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong tao na parang obvious na gusto ka. Itong taong to, nagdadalawang isip kung mag-open up siya pagdating sa emosyon niya sa'yo. And I think they will. They will. Yeah. Okay. Some of you, if there's this someone na nabibigyan ka na ng confusion, they're like hot and cold, parang sabihin nating Hindi nila sinasabi talaga yung kanilang intention or whatsoever. Iba kasi sa inyo, nasa connection na kayo with this person. So, parang ang nakikita mo lang at naiisip na paraan para matapos is to drop them. Do it. Okay, that's not for all. Pero may nakuha akong ganong energy. Yeah. What else? Water signs. Okay, the Eight of Cups. In reversed. Ano ba itong pinag-i-stayan ninyo? You're choosing to stay. Some of you, you're not moving on. Okay? Choosing talaga na magstay at mag-hold on. Kung ano man ito, I don't know. What's with this Eight of Cups in reversed? What's with this? A connection. Maybe you see them as someone na siya na talaga yung para sa'yo. This is a strong connection. Kaya hindi ko masisisi rin. Okay? Yeah, you love this person. Yeah. A water sign. Maybe a fellow water sign or maybe you are. Okay? Ikaw ito. Sa yung energy to. Some of you, this is like an advice na kung kaya mong pigilin yung emosyon mo, kung kaya mong pigilin na parang ibigay mo na lang ito sa tama or sa dapat na pagbigyan, gawin mo, yun na lang. Oo. Okay? Kung kaya mong tiisin na maging single, mas maganda. Parang ganun. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, you're in a strong connection. You love this person. They love you. Okay? They love you, pero hindi equal. Yeah. Somebody is parang immature. Pero I think immature talaga. Okay? So I think andito yung energy ng parang one-sided. Some of them, meron kang nagugustuhang person. Okay? And this is strong. Ang nakukuha kong energy dito, ikaw lang yung bukas or sabihin nating open or gising sa connection na to. Pero siya hindi. So, ang hirap na ito, water sign. Ang hirap, grabe. It's like you're holding on or choosing to stay kasi maybe you're waiting for them na baka sakali magising sila sa katotohanan, magising sila sa kung anong meron sa inyo and mag-click, no? Baka sakali, nagbabaka sakali yung iba. Hindi kita masisi, pero yeah. Okay, so ang advice ko sa'yo, kung ganun man, wag mo hayaan na parang nai-stuck ka. Okay? Wag mo hayaan na mai-stuck ka. Kung hindi nila makita yung nakikita mo sa connection na to na talagang pinagdaraanan mo sa ngayon, no? Wag mo hayaan na parang isasarado mo yung iba mong pinto para sa mga new opportunities. Okay? So, ganun. Kahit sabihin mo napakalakas ng pakaramdam mo na dapat kayo ng taong yun. Paano nga kung hindi naman niya kita? Diba? So, what else for you, water signs? Some of you, this is like soul recognition. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Diba sa inyo, nakakuha ko ng energy na pwedeng aalis na sa trabaho. Okay? Iiba na ng trabaho. Mag-resign. Ano tong Eight of Pentacles in reverse? Meron ditong parang hindi napapagtuunan na ng pansin. Ano to? The Page of Swords Universe. Some of you, ikaw nga itong parang aalis trabaho and maghahanap na or maghahanap somebody or some of you is looking na sa ngayon pa lang. Okay? Nang pwedeng paglilipatan. Okay? Some of you have a stalker. An earth sign, an air sign. Okay? Kaya sila nag-i-stalk kasi parang feeling nila meron ditong hindi nagiging okay. So, they're trying na maging magpaka-detective. Okay? Ano kayang meron? Bakit parang hindi nagiging okay? Okay? So, iba naman sa inyo, merong nag-i-stalk dito na parang may something na nangyari sa past ninyo na hindi natuunang pansin kung ano man. Okay? Around your workplace, mayroong mga nosy. Okay? Yeah. What's with this Eight of Pentacles Universe? The Knight of Pentacles. So, this is talking about finances. Okay? So, if ever, makikita mo kasi pwedeng yung finances mo is hindi na nag-grow, hindi na nagle-level up, wala nang nangyayari, like, walang way para magkaroon ng increase, parang ganyan. So, somebody o iba sa inyo is pwedeng maghahanap na ng work. Okay? Ibang work. Yeah. Okay? Meron ditong mga talagang gusto makakuha ng info about you. Yeah. People sees you as someone na may pera. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Yun ang tingin nila. Yung iba sa inyo, ang nakikita ko, pwedeng, kung hindi man lilipat ng ibang trabaho, ang nakikita ko is magbubukas ng business. Okay? Eventually, nakikita ko na magiging okay naman yung business na papasukin. Kung ano man yan. Okay po. So, kung hindi man magre-resign, nakakita lang ako na kukuha lang kayo or magagawa lang kayo ng ibang source ng income. Okay? Somebody's throwing negative energies pagdating sa inyo. So, yun nga, yung mga nakikialam sa buhay, no? Yung mga ganyan. Stock, yan, mga ganyan. Okay? May mga taong gustong makita yung ano bang meron sa'yo, sa pamimera mo, nandun yung mga inggit. Okay? So, yeah, enough with that. So, yun ang nakikita ko for you. Water signs. Okay, next is okay, earth signs. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anong meron? Mensahe? Anong gabay? Energy check-ins? Prediction? Ang dapat malaman ng mga earth signs. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. The Six of Swords in reverse. Ano tong hindi umuusad na ito? Okay. What's with this? The Devil. Somebody. Some of you, ikaw itong hindi makausad, no? Sa kung ano man. Iba sa inyo, kaya hindi kayo makausad is pwedeng binibigyan kayo ng hindi magandang energies. Binabatuhan kayo. Evil eye. Maybe, the King of Swords in reverse. Or maybe, ikaw lang itong parang puro isip ng hindi tama, hindi dapat. Okay? You're like sabotaging, no, your own plans, goals, kung ano man. Okay? Kaya hindi magkaroon ng pag-usad. Yes. Okay. Some of you, ikaw itong palaging nasa utak ng isang tao. Okay? They're obsessing. Yes, they're obsessing. What's with this the Devil? Yeah, what's with this Devil? Some of you, this is like a fellow earth sign, fellow Capricorn. The Seven of Cups in reversed. Some of it is a past person's energy still attached. Okay, somebody's lurking. O, diba? Ang creepy. Yeah, the Hermit. Okay, this person, I guess, is maybe looking for you. Kung saan-saan. Yeah, I'm getting a stalker energy coming from them. A stalker energy. Okay? May mga tao rin na hinihintay na hindi mong pag-angat. Okay? Huwag mo ibigay. Oo, yaan mo sila. Ha? Gustong gusto ng mga to na makikita ka na hindi umaangat. Yeah. Meron din ako nakikita ritong energy na hindi na maganda ang environment ng workplace. Okay? So, parang hilahan, pababa. Parang ganyan, survival of the fittest. Parang ganun. Okay, parang, okay, sige, ang tawag dyan, papapay lang tayo. Oo, parang ganun eh. Okay? Too toxic. What else for earth signs? Okay, the Two of Cups in reversed. May marireject, i-reject. Somebody is, sabihin nating, sinasadyang hindi ka pansinin, hindi ka replyan, ignoren, kung sino man. Okay? Who is this? Some of them pwedeng younger. They're silent. Choosing to be silent. Anong meron dito? The Three of Wands in reversed. I don't know. Pwedeng hindi lang din interesado sa'yo tong taong to, kung sino man to. So that's why they're ignoring you. Okay? Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles. Somebody is waiting for a reply talaga. Somebody is waiting for someone. Wala akong nakikitang pagbabalik dito kung sino man to. Fire sign, air, water. Somebody is feeling hopeless pagdating sa isang situation. Yeah. Some of you, you're in a break with someone. Okay? No contact. Don't expect something. Don't wait for kung ano man. Okay? If you're waiting for a reply, if you're waiting for a message from them, wala. Yeah, the Moon. They're hiding. Okay, they're hiding from you. Some of them, they're like focus sa ibang mga bagay-bagay like that. Okay? They're not thinking of you, sa totoo lang. They're not thinking of you. Ikaw lang itong parang sabihin nating mas nag-iisip sa kanya. Okay? Kung ikaw itong parang humahabol sa energy niya, lumalayo siya. Yeah. Pisces. Okay, fire. What else? Okay, for earth signs. What else? Iba sa inyo, nakikita ko na parang you just want to take a break from love. Okay, from love. Okay, it's like, okay, hopeless naman eh, pagdating palagi sa love. So, okay, magpapahingan lang muna, a kiss. Parang gano'n. Yeah. Anyway, hindi naman masama, no? Okay, hindi man masama yun. So, kung kailangan mo na magpahinga muna, then, yeah. Hindi naman bad yun. Okay. What else for you, earth signs? The Ace of Wands in reversed. Okay, there's an energy of delays. In general, there's this delays. Travel for some of you. Okay, what's with this Ace of Wands in reversed? There's drama. Some of you, I'm getting an energy in the near future, okay, nang merong makikipag-makeup sex. Yeah, may makikipag-makeup sex. Okay? Inulit ko pa no? Oo, ulitin ko talaga. Yes. There's this no label. Magchachararat kayo pero wala naman kayong label. Yeah. Who is this ace? Ano tong Ace of Wands na to na naka-reverse? Anong meron sa kanya? The Hanged Man in reverse. May chance na nilet go mo to or inalis itong taong to sa buhay mo. Okay? And sinasabi hindi mo na dapat to balikan or konekan ulit. Yeah. May babalik from past. Okay? Yun lang naman nakikita ko, makeup sex or maybe pwedeng makikipagchararat ka sa kung sino na hindi mo naman karelasyon. Yeah. Chararat talaga, opo. Okay. Pwedeng sa isang fire sign with water. Okay. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. There's no label here. May chance na after nung chararat, tataguan ka na ulit. Okay? Ikaw itong habol-habol or sabihin nating hahanap-hanapin mo siya. So, kung ayaw nyo nun, gawing gabay, iwasan na para maiwasan. Okay? Yeah. What else? Avoid drama. Okay? Gusto kong makita anong meron dito sa Five of Wands. The Emperor in reversed. Yeah, mahirap na. Okay. So, poor decision making. Okay, ang nakikita ko rito, poor decision making na pwedeng magkaroon ng sabihin natin kalalabasan na hindi maganda. Okay, so pagsisisihan mo lang. Yes. Okay. Some of you, there's this Virgo wanting na magkaroon ng communication with you. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!